And we're back. Finally today, in New Ephyra, First Minister Jin commemorated the 25th anniversary of the end of the Locust War.
Today, we are humbled by the presence of 2 generations of men and women who braved every danger, who fought the battles that made us what we are, including the most pivotal encounter of the Pendulum Wars, Ashbow Fields.
Santiago! I'll spare you the inspirational speech, Private. You know what to do.
Yes, sir. All right, let's do this. We take down those towers, cripple their communications, then raid the lab. Command wants the Hammer of Dawn, Command gets the Hammer of Dawn. All right, let's move! Move it, Gears! We're only gonna get one shot to extract those plans. Once we take down the comm towers, this entire base is cut off.
Yes, sir.
We got Indies! Up top! Take them out! Nice shot!
What's that enough to me?
Drop them! Hurry!
What's that to me?
Way to go, Private! Keep pushing! Tower's just ahead! Come on, the Major's waiting!
Zayeni Rapolsky! Zayeni Rapolsky!
More Indies! Damn it, they're dug in! Get around and flank them! Let's go! Tower's just ahead! Leader, Green 1, approaching bonfire.
Roger that, Green One. Sweet hell.
Okay,
these
plan a
dumb
charge on that tower.
things.
Charge planted.
Leader, our match is lit.
Roger that. We're lighting our bonfire in 3, 2, 1. This base is now dim, dumb, and blind. Also, I'm shit canning our codename, Santiago. See you at the lab.
Yes, sir. The lab's just beyond that security gate. Push up! Machine gun nest!
Up there! Now get a frag in there! Come on, get a frag in there! Nice! Now get through that door! And don't mind the mess.
You two, you have the security codes. Override that gate. And with that, this raid is officially underway. Let's go. All right, you know the drill. Eliminate the guards, get inside the lab, grab the plans. Then we ghost.
So what does this Hammer of Dawn thing do?
It wins the war. And if we do our job right, every system here is wiped. And the indie scientists get an offer they can't refuse. All right, we're in. Let's go.
Icy slow! Moving slow!
Labs up ahead. Take them out.
Labs ahead there!
Lab secure, Major.
I have eyes, Private. Now, let's get those plans. Step aside, Private. Looks like these indie scientists aren't too eager to meet us. Bruce! Be a dear and rip this door.
Gears, listen up. If we're not out in 10 minutes, abort mission and get the hell out of here.
Okay, Santiago, time to meet our new friends.
Right behind you, Major.
Andy's left side!
Hold him back! Use the turret!
Ready to go!
Control, package is secure.
Cleaner, proceed to the beach for marlin extract.
You hear that?
Mortars! Control, we got mortars incoming.
Can I suggest you run, Major?
To the beach! Go, go, go!
Run, get out of here!
Don't stop! Boats just ahead! Keep moving!
God, I can't shit!
When valiant COG forces captured the UIR's plans for the Hammer of Dawn, we ensured our survival in the worst conflict our world had yet known. But only 2 years later, a new horror, a new enemy, a new war.
Control, be advised. Divert the Colonel's convoy.
Sorry, Corporal. We're almost there.
Negative, Control. The House of Sovereigns is a red zone.
Corporal Kim, this whole city's a red zone.
Understood, Control. Come on, Gears. Colonel Hoffman's convoy is gonna need protection.
Corporal, we're coming in hot.
Almost there, Control.
Oh, shit!
That's the convoy.
Look out! Look out!
More of those goddamn things! What the hell is even happening? Come on, we got this!
Got it!
Move up. Assist the Colonel.
Hell is that? Open fire! I can't hurt it!
Guns don't work for shit on that thing.
We need something bigger.
Corporal, there's a hammer of dawn in that van.
On it. Soldier, secure that hammer. We've got the hammer. It's retreating. Nice work, soldier.
More of those goddamn monsters!
Wait, no! Shit, man, they're tough! Oh, shit! It's back!
They roasted again!
Good job, Gears.
What the hell are those things?
What's your name, Corporal?
Kim, sir.
Lieutenant Stroud and I need an escort. Congratulations, you're it.
Colonel, we need to get inside. Now.
I've got the code for the door, Colonel.
Well, good for you, son.
Hold these stairs with that hammer. I'll be back when I can.
Oh, man. This is bad.
All right, you heard the corporal. Don't let him inside.
They're coming right at us. Use the hammer. Oh, shit. Look out. Push them back. Push them back. We need some goddamn reinforcements.
Not gonna happen. Keep fighting. Got it.
This is insane.
No.
Holy shit, you got it. Another one.
Just went offline.
By nightfall, hundreds of thousands were dead. Emergence Day had earned its name. Like many of you, I was only a child then. It was a dark, terrible time, and our victory was in no way assured.
I know you're medics, but we need everyone on that wall, now! Get that soldier back on his feet.
Walk it up.
All right, Gears, get up that ladder.
What happened?
Come on up!
Where the hell am I?
Chainsaw your way out and get on that wall!
Holy shit.
We gotta clear this wall.
Clear them out! Now clear out the courtyard! Don't let any more up!
Pick your shot! Make him count!
Ah, shit, they're everywhere!
Come on! Don't let him up!
Got it up to me. God damn it, they keep coming!
I take that. Oh. Yeah!
Coming!
Left side's open! Get over there and clear it out! Grappling hook! Come on, Gears! Knock him down!
All right, someone mount that turret and throw some hell down there. Come on, you big ugly son of a bitch! Show me what you got!
A brave group of soldiers, led by Marcus Phoenix, finally ended our locust nightmare.
He did it.
How dearly I wish Sergeant Phoenix could be with us here today. Stop and think about the men and women whose sacrifices guaranteed our survival. Thanks to them, we fought through the long twilight. We built a new prosperity. The world the new cog has ensured knows no war, no suffering. It's a world of safety, of family. A world, finally, at peace.
Hey, you coming?
Just give me a sec.
For a butterfly?
Yeah, look. You know how this little guy starts out?
Trying to stay alive.
True. But if it survives, and most don't, it finds a way to change. The little larva becomes a chrysalis. Inside, it destroys and rebuilds itself, changing its color, its shape. It gets wings, claws. It slashes its way out of its cage, and then it's new and beautiful.
You shouldn't have come.
Save your breath, JD. That one? She's a mother's daughter.
She really is.
I really am.
We used to protect cog settlements. Now we're about to raid one. Is that ironic?
Technically, no.
Raiding is what outsiders do. Until you two showed up. Now, boring.
Better bored than dead, old man.
There's a difference.
No alarm. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we're not gonna be bored. Dead, on the other hand.
That's not the security alarm.
Oh shit, wind flare! We can take cover inside the settlement!
To the wagon, all of you! Go!
Oscar, hurry! We gotta beat that wall! We're almost there! Get down! We gotta get inside the settlement!
I'm not leaving ugly!